Hi Mark, this is a short video show you how to upload files to your web server. To upload files such as PDFs to your web server, we're going to use the program called FileZilla, which we downloaded. Open FileZilla from your Start menu. And let's see, this is the program, FileZilla. We have entered your information here so that you can connect to your web server, but in case you haven't, let's start from the beginning. File, Site Manager. You'll see I have all these sites in here. If you want to create a new one, hit this New Site button. Once you do, you'll be asked to enter this information. This is the host. This is the number for your web server. Your web server is that big machine that serves up all the files for your web page. This is that number. Then you enter your username, password. Okay. Once you have your information in, you can connect to your server, your web server, by clicking on this button and selecting your server. You'll see here that these are the folders on the web server, and these are the folders on my computer. So I'm going to browse on my computer. Until I get to the folder with all of the files for your website, which will be here and here and here. Okay, this is where I keep all the files for your website. And this is all the files on your web server. To update the files on your web server, to update the PDF files on your web server, you have to browse into this folder called Images. So we're looking inside the Images folder on your web server. You'll see there are a couple PDFs. The first one's called book.pdf. This is the file that you need to replace in order to update your book on your website. And this PDF is called Free Report. This is the file that you have to update in order to update your free report PDF. There's one more at the bottom called Testimonials. So I see here that you have some. This looks like a PDF that you uploaded on the 27th. If you wish to make that the new book PDF, let's delete this. Hit delete on your keyboard. And we're going to rename this one. We'll choose right click, rename, and we're going to name it book.pdf. So now that file that you uploaded on the 27th is now the book PDF on your website. But let's say that you have a new PDF that you want to update with. So on your computer, we're going to browse until you get to the PDF of the new book. So let's say that this is it. This is a file you sent to me on the 10th. We're going to select this PDF and drag it over here. And that has just uploaded now to our, here it is right here. This is the folder called Images, and here's the PDF. But it has to be renamed to book.pdf in order to work. We just did that in the last step, so I'm simply going to delete that. And it's the same when you want to take files down off of your server. For example, maybe I want to make a copy of this free report, so I'm going to drag it from the web server to my computer. Now I have a copy on my computer. I'm going to do that the same with testimonials. I'll make a copy of this as well. Okay, so if you wanted to update the free report, for example, you could take this, if this is your new PDF, let's go ahead and call it new, and you've browsed to your computer where the new PDF is, take it and drag it up to your web server. There it is right here, new, and then rename it to freereport.pdf. And that is how you download and upload PDF files to your web server. Just remember, it has to be in the images folder, has to be named book.pdf or freereport.pdf. Alright, thanks.